Exhausted at the end of his quarter-final bout against Martinez. He's come up short, it would be fair to say, against Palam. Some smarter work covering up from Tanaka, but let's go and find out where this official result goes.
The winner on points by unanimous decision. Moving on to the men's flyweight gold medal final.
勝者決勝進出はユナニマスディシジョンにより
In blue, Carlo
Carlo Palam. He lost one judge in one round of that. A 5-0 unanimous victory. The opening 2 rounds, he sealed it, and in the third, he showed composure. He was the more creative. He just overwhelmed his opponent, didn't he? Tanaka never got going from an offensive point of view. He is an Olympic bronze medal winner. He'll always have that. He will always be able to say, at Tokyo in my home games, I won a medal. This guy, now his thoughts start to think himself of what's next. What's next on the horizon for Carlo Palam? So there, Tanaka just wiped that one off. He felt a couple of those. Just could not find the solution to stop Palam sneaking through. He got him again with the right hand there. Worked the jab beautifully well. And that is the moment he found out he is at least a silver medal winner.
There is a light that has
Tanaka accepted his defeat with grace. He knew what was coming, even in that third round. There you can see the dominance again. Carlo Palam, the Ugandan judge, gave